Oi.
Good day.
Hello.
Huh?
Hello.
Good day sir.
Order.
Delay na.
Good day.
Tulo gorla barde.
Oh.
Everyone meet Nanu. Hi Nanu.
भूख लगे तुमको
Mo भूख लगी थी खिलाओ दो आराम से. So we don't know where we're going. First sumuk under na. Chalo.
रिकॉर्ड कर है
Yes.
स्टार्ट हो गया
Yes. हाँ. Oto la population बेसी होला नि चाहे. यहाँ पर ला. Mo yere nai naman diri uisho ka. Mo yere nai naman diri uisho ka. Cornering. What's that? He's probably late for work. Like cornering with Tom Arishila. What a traffic! Oh, kita. Hello. Hot yung isle kinako kamari dili no. Ha? Jam no rola. 이거 와. I'm not telling him about that. I know something you don't know. Udah deh, sweetie deh. Hello. Auntie. How do you feel? Telat again. The road is kissing him. Done eating. Now let's leave.
वीडियो बना लो
Yes.
चले
Cho. 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 Cha. Alaki gurle se kuriole ina no kore. Wait, oh yeah, we're done eating. Now we're on our way. Hey, man jobless feeling eh. Man jobless feeling eh. We're just going. We're just going. We don't have much fuel, but we're just going. Third line punjule. Front labis ho. Yeah. Chalo, on our way. Cook. Oh, chanda. Oh, aram payase. Aram payase. Na lagi. Lagi deh mo. Nah, lagi sama ini kuri. Mui jadi si sorong kazi sab kuri ini kuri. Gaya ham. Oh, itu view saya na. Hi. Oh, you know? Wow. I don't know if the camera can see this, but there's a huge moat right there. Just check out, I mean, view na edge. Just check out my bike here. It's parked here, it's very dirty. But na pa na cornering. Sheesh. Bye-bye!
चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए चला जाता.
This is the last stretch of bed roads. Kilole Khonoma jaz na. So the last rasta bhi aaj. आज लाके जहाज के लिए रास्ता भी आज. Now on to the good road. Just a We are here. Yes. So, vlog sai lui. Tiga ni dia lazim itu. Ti sawale. My friends, those who know me, they know that I come here when I'm bored. So let's get this man get used to the place. Huh? Good. Tuh, bala helipad. Iya dekhi le ah. Udah kya है? That's Khonoma. Huh? Tade? I don't know. जाओ बोले जाओ. किले? It is. It is. दूर दिखली और सड़े है.
तने मुझे तो.
दिखली ना ले travel environment. हाँ? Environment किले ना.
त्यो मुझे.
What you do ना चू?
मुझे बोलो. बड़ा देखो मुझे नहीं.
I don't know why you know this, but okay.
I told you it's not my first time.
So yeah, that's the Dimapur highway. And this is Nanu's first time. Sir, how do you feel?
So sorry, not the first time.
Acha, but how do you feel?
My butt hurts, that's all I know.
Phew, balid na.
Oh, balid.
Unan na. This is the Khonoma TV. Achi hazar muti nga. Okay, so this is the Khonoma viewpoint dustbin. Huh? Oi. Yo, ऊपर दे अलग कुछ कुछ रहा तो weird दिखिया. Oh.
Shit, you did her on this.
Such a nice view, yeah. Huh?
Before time open up, not on me.
खुला है. No restrictions. I mean, not restrictions, but खुला है.
I don't believe all for the number.
Not restricted.
मुख कपड़े picking more ना बाल आज़म मुझे.
Kati the word ki. Why worry? So it seems Nanu is very happy. He feels at peace. Even me, I'm happy that I could bring him here before he goes back to Lumami. He's taking footages.
June.
So yeah, I don't know why I made this video, but I was just like, it's been so long that I didn't, vlog properly. And then Nanu is also here, so why not, right? So yeah, that's pretty much the reason why I just recorded this. So I don't know if you guys will enjoy this, but yeah, I enjoyed coming here with Nanu. So yeah, here's the view again. And then do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. And then the rest, whatever YouTubers say at the end of the video. So yeah, peace.